Hello everyone, welcome to our Innovate Teaching Channel. Today on February 28th, we are going to celebrate National Science Day to mark the discovery of Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman. Along with it, I would like to share you a good news that our Innovate Teaching Channel reached 1000 plus subscribers. So, thank you everyone for this great indeed support. Now, moving out of it, let us speak few words about National Science Day. National Science Day is celebrated across India on February 28th. Our Indian scientist Sir C.V. Raman, he is called as Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman, discovered the Raman effect on this day, February 20th, in the year 1928. In this photograph, you can see Sir C.V. Raman posed right side, A.S.Krishnan posed left side. Who is A.S.Krishnan? He is the student of Sir C.V. Raman. And can you guess who is the middle one? He is A. Sommerfeld, Arnold Sommerfeld. So, this is the photograph during the visit of Sommerfeld at Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science in Kolkata on October 1928. C.V. Raman with his student A.S.Krishnan discovered that when the light traverses a transparent material, some of the deflected light changes wavelength and amplitude. This phenomenon was a new type of scattering of light and was subsequently termed as Raman effect, also known as Raman scattering. Raman effect is a phenomenon in spectroscopy discovered by the eminent physicist Sir Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman in 1928. After 2 years, it means in 1930, C.V. Raman got a Nobel Prize for this remarkable discovery, and this is the first Nobel Prize for India in the field of science. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman got Nobel Prize while he was working in the laboratory of Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science in Kolkata. See, this is the photograph which depicts Raman posed left side with all the other Nobel winners at Nobel Prize Award ceremony on 1930. In 1986, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication (NCTC) asked the Government of India to designate 28 February as National Science Day. Later, which then accepted by Indian government and declared the day as National Science Day in 1986. So, the first National Science Day was celebrated on February 28, 1987. It was Saturday. Now we are celebrating 34th National Science Day, and the theme for the National Science Day of 2021 is Future of STI Impacts on Education, Skills and Work. What does STI mean? It is Science, Technology and Innovation. Sir C.V. Raman was the first Asian and non-white to win the Nobel Prize in Sciences. So, we must all feel proud and be courageous of having such great scientists in our teams. See, these are the stamps collected by me. The first stamp is the stamp of India of C.V. Raman in 2009, and second stamp is stamp of India of C.V. Raman in 1971, and the third stamp, which was the cancel stamp of India of C.V. Raman in 1971. See, this is the picture which shows C.V. Raman pointing to the information on a large blackboard as he is giving lectures on 5th August 1958 about Raman spectrum of a quartz crystal. Thank you guys. Finally guys, మీకు నా ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దు.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications.
Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching Channel.